Hi guys, it's Crystal with Realty One Group, Huntington Beach, and I am here in the neighborhood. I am a neighborhood realtor, and I'm going to show you some properties today on this rainy day. Thank goodness it's not raining at this moment, but you will see that there are some things to, take into consideration, and this is actually a really good day to view properties because you can see how your house can hold up in the rain. Like I said, we are here at the Dutch Haven neighborhood. We have a lot of community events in this neighborhood. We have this neighborhood park, which is called Lakeview Park, and there is a little playground you can see in the distance right here. There's also a neighborhood elementary school called Lakeview Elementary. It's right there. So if you're looking for a neighborhood that you can walk your kids to school in, this is the one. Again, we've got 3 properties that I'm going to show you today that just hit the market, and I can talk to you about those later on if you guys like them and you have any questions about them. Again, great neighborhood to be a part of. Lakeview Elementary is a science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and arts school, and they are coding and 3D printing. They're definitely setting our kids up for success, especially as we're changing in this ever-changing technology world. Again, neighbors are just so friendly. Everybody's honking their horns, saying hello, even to me here in the rain. So I just want to showcase these properties, and if you haven't seen them due to the rain today, well, I am here to show them to you and also set an appointment. So don't hesitate to give me a ring. All right, are you ready? Let's go. Okay. Let's get in the car and go. Here we go. Go.